Shivraj Jai Shambhu Rajay. The incident that occurred early Saturday morning in the Hojai district of Assam is not merely an accident. It strikingly exposes the frightening reality of the growing conflict between human and nature. The scleral New Delhi Rajdhani Express collided with the herd of elephants while they were crossing the railway track. In this tragic incident, seven innocent elephants lost their lives and one young calf was seriously injured. Following the collision, the train engine and five coaches derailed. Fortunately, the lives of the passengers were saved, but the violent inhabitants of the forest were silenced forever. Elephants are among the most intelligent, sensitive, and social animals in the wild, living in herds, caring for one another, and migrating long distance in search of food and water are intricately part of their natural lifestyle. On their fateful night, and herd of elephants was moving from one village area to another, with a small calf playfully walking alongside the group. Tragically, a railway track lay directly in their path. The Silchar New Delhi Rajdhani Express was approached very high speed. The loco pilot noticed that herd and immediately applied the emergency brake. However, due to the speed of the train and the short distance, the conclusion could not be avoided within moment. Eight innocent lives were lost. The injured calf lay helpless beside the track. The force of the impact caused the train engine and five coaches to derail, while railway passengers narrowly escaped the death. The forest witnessed an heartbreaking loss. Although the accident site was not an officially declared elephant corridor, it fell within a natural movement routes used by elephants for years. Today, rampant reforestation, railway lines, highways, industrial projects, and exploding human settlements have destroyed traditional wildlife pathway. As a result, elephants, leopards, tiger, and other wild animals are being forced into human-dominated area, leading to frequent incident and conflict in Assam and other eastern states. The number of accident elephant deaths was increased alarmingly over the past few years. Between 2019 and 2024, nearly 80 elephants died solely due to railway accidents. In addition to this, around 520 elephants lost their lives because of illegal electric fencing, electronication, poisoning, poaching, and other forms of human wildlife conflict. These fingers are not just statistically, they are evidence of the several damages being inflicted on nature. The conflict is not limited to Assam alone. In recent months, the stray elephant named Omkar was being roaming through the Konkan and Goa region. In Maharashtra, leopard attack have increased in areas such as Pune, North Maharashtra, and Nagpur. Whenever a major incident occur, there is a brief period of a public outage, emotionally retention, official inquiries, and grand announcement of a prevent measures. However, as a time passes, the issue gradually fades from public memory. At the root of the crisis lies a simple but uncomfortable truth: humans are responsible. In the name of development, forests have been destroyed, wildlife corridors blockage, and natural habitat encouraged upon. Development is undebatable necessary, but it must be balanced, sustainable, and respectful of nature. Solution and the way forward: identification and protection of elephants corridors. Traditional elephants movement routes must be significantly identified and legal protected. Infrastructure project is such areas should be strict regularly. speed regulation of trains. Train speed must be reduced in wildlife sensitive zones with continuously monitoring system in place. Early warning systems. The use of terminal cameras, sensor drones, and real-time alert system can help detect animal movement near railway tracks in advance. Wildlife underpass and overpasses. Dedication crossing should be constructive to allow safe movement of wild animals across railway lines and highways. Public awareness and training local communities. Railway staffs and administration authorities should be trained, sensitized about wildlife conservation. Strict laws and enforcement. Strong action must be taken against illegal facings, poaching, forest economic, and habiting destination conclusions. The tragic elephant accident forced us to confront critical question: should development come at the cost of nature? Preserving constitution between forest, wildlife, and human is one of the most urgent challenge of our time. If we fail to act today, nature may not forgive us tomorrow. Development is essential, but it is a must more forward is a harmony with the nature world. This is the most important lesson we must learn from these heartbreaking incidents. Jai Bhavani.